Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn ABCD and some numbers. Let's start. We have white color, pink color, sky blue color, light green color, brown color, black color, purple color, dark blue color, dark green color, yellow color, orange color and red color. Let's start. Yellow color. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. B for bus. B for bus. C for car. C for car. D for donut. D for donut. E for elephant. E for elephant. Dark blue color. F for fruits. F for fruits. G for girl. G for girl. G for girl. H for house. H for house. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for joker. J for joker. So kids, now time to learn some countings. Let's start. Let's start with red color. O-N-E 1. T-W-O 2. T-H-R-E-E 3. F-O-U-R 4. F-I-V-E 5. Dark green color. S-I-X 6. S-E-V-E-N 7. E-I-G-H-T 8. N-I-N-E 9. T-E-N 10. Yellow color, red color, dark blue color, dark green color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A, 1, B, 2, C, 3, D, 4, E, 5, F, 6, G, 7, H, 8, I, 9, J, 10. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.